Guys, I'm at a place called County Farm. I was here, well, Angie and I and my dog Stormy was here about a year and a half ago. When we got here last, we noticed some trails, just small trails, and a place to play frisbee golf. Well, I was doing some looking online earlier, and this place is supposed to have two ponds. Two ponds. So we're out here to investigate and see if these two ponds are fishable. I do believe the one pond isn't. It's right up the road. It's all grown up around it, so it wouldn't be fishable. But we're going to see what we can see here today. We're going to get some beauty, do some talking, and we're going to make a day out of it. And I got to wipe off my sunglasses. They got a glare. I almost tripped over a tree stump. But right here is an instruction thing, so we'll look at that, and I'll show a little bit of that on the video here in a minute and see if we get our bearings where maybe this other pond's at. Okay, the only thing that thing's talking about is the frisbee golf course. You know, when we was here last and we was leaving out of here, it was really muddy, so we didn't really get to explore it that much. But maybe if we walk on down yonder that way, yeah. I had a comment the other day, somebody's like, yonder, LOL. Well, guys, I did live a good portion of my life in Kentucky. My mother said yonder all of her life, and you know what? That's the way I talk sometimes. I don't care. I can easily switch. You know, I also grew up in Cincinnati. I can easily switch and talk like I did there. Okay, we're going to go ahead and go down there, and we will look for the pond, okay? There you go. But I don't want to talk that way. I feel more comfortable talking the other way. So I talk this way longer. All right, guys, where's my wife? Oh, there she is. Should we go down yonder there, honey?
No, that's the course.
That's the course. Okay, guys, I want to get our bearings and figure out where we're going from here. I will try to get some beauty, then again, I might end up doing voiceovers. I want to get beauty and put guitar music to it, along with possible keyboard music as well. Yeah, I'm going to try to adapt the keyboard music, you know, the playing the keyboard and guitar together. So I say we walk down, be nosy. I don't know. Should this be a voiceover, what we see, or should it be music? I don't know. Let me get up further and I'll figure it out. Well, it looks like I decided to do the voiceover on this video. Dead bird. Aww. I think. I do want to do some videos. I could put more guitar music to it. But maybe I should just practice up on the keyboard and guitar and get a lot of that music to use. But as you can see right now, it's just a big open field. Now here in this county, which is Dearborn County, this is the biggest park here. And there's a lot to explore. Will we be exploring all this today? Oh, heck no. We're just gonna walk in. I don't know. I really don't know what to expect. Okay, I'm gonna turn around, hope I ain't making you all dizzy. But right back there, we got a very steep hill going down. And right over the side of me is a cut-in to where I guess one of the baskets is for the frisbee golf. Let's walk over that way. It appears to Angie and I, right now, their main attention, their main focus is on the frisbee golf. I get that. I get that. And they are going to try to put some walking trails in here from what I read. But where the heck this other pond is beyond me. Oh, look at that. Oh, shoot, guys. Okay, let me show you something real quick here, okay? You got a trail going that way. You got another trail that way. You got another trail that way. You got another trail that way. I'm not joking. Where the heck do we go? I want to explore, but I am so lost and confused.
Well, right now we're on the course and
we're on the frisbee golf course. Ah, shucks. Well, I don't think their focus is on the ponds. It says you can fish from them wherever they're at. I'm going to have to do some homework because I don't think we're going to find the ponds today. We're on a little dirt trail right now. As you see, it's starting to get dark. And we're going to see where this goes. Quite interesting if you ask me. There's a little walking bridge here. Okay, let me show some stuff and possibly do some voiceovers. There's people playing frisbee golf on the course right now as we speak. Last time we was here, they were doing the same thing. This may be a total fail. I don't want to get in the way of them playing their game. Oh, crap. You know, I was stoked. When I read online they had 2 ponds, I was stoked. But where the heck are they? You know, they could be anywhere too. This being the biggest park in this county, they could be anywhere. And right now I have no idea where we're going. Okay, let me do some voiceovers and show you some beauty. It is beautiful, and we'll go from there. Okay, as you can see, it's a big, huge, open, beautiful field. Beautiful area. And I have no idea where the heck we're going or where we're going to end up. But it's a failure. We did not find the second pond. First pond we found right when we was coming in, and it's just all grown up. There's no way to get to it. Plus, there's no place to park anyway. So I am confused. Well, this may be, I may have to chalk this up as one adventure that's failed.
Not failed.
Well, yeah, you're right. It's not failed because we are, I mean, I am looking at, we are around the beauty, right? We are in the middle of nowhere, and we've done things like this before. Oh, hell yeah. Come back maybe this winter and eat this up. I don't know. All right, guys. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I honestly thought I was going to bring one hell of a video today. One hell of a venture. Find this other pond and possibly see if we want to fish there. I can call this a failure. I can. But it's not really, because we are out here in God's beauty. I hear something coming.
Yeah,
what the heck? I'll be back. By some chance, even if I was thinking this was a fail, it was not. We just made friends with a park. I guess he was the second official of this whole place. Made friends with the guy and told us all kinds of information. We know where the other pond is. We're gonna walk over there and look at it. And we also know what we're gonna do when we come back hiking for this winter and fall. We're coming here. This place is endless, endless. It is the biggest park, like I said earlier, in Dearborn County. And we didn't know it had half the stuff it does. Right now, it's mainly for frisbee golf. They are working, trying to open up the other pond, and we don't know what this pond's gonna look like. But guys, we're gonna walk over there and find out. Well, it might take a little bit. Not for you all. For us, well, might take about 30, 40 minutes. We're a pretty good piece out. This park and all the other parks in Dearborn County are tobacco-free parks. That means no smokers and I guess no dippers like me. Have I dipped? Yeah, I have. But I won't anymore. I like to follow the rules, y'all. You know, if it's a tobacco-free park, then so be it. All right, we're gonna make plans when we get to the Defiant and go from there.
wow.
I found the pond, but I'm not exactly sure how to get to it. Let me show y'all. Well, as you can see, it looks all grown up too. Looks quite beautiful, but I just don't know how to really get to it. So it looks like there's a farmer's field right here. I'm not sure. The way the guy talked to us back there, this is part of a county farm. So I'm not sure. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just out here exploring, I guess. Out here trying to get myself not shot. But yeah, that is a nice pond.
Mm-hmm.
You know, it almost looks like there's signs over yonder there too.
Yeah.
Okay guys, we're gonna try to get our wits and figure out what we're doing from here. We will come back here another time. I'm going to come back here in fall and hit all that walking area over there. But we will come back here another time because according to the gentleman we talked to, they're going to open all that up. Right now, it's not feasible to get back there. And yeah. So guys, it wasn't a total fail today's video. If anything, it was a win-win situation. We got to find a place to go for probably one of the biggest hikes we've ever done come this fall. We also learned a lot more stuff out of the word of mouth of official that helps run this place. And it does have 2 ponds. Eventually will be open for fishing one day soon. All right, guys, that's been my video. I hope you liked it. It's unlocked, sweetie. Oh, I guess it ain't unlocked. Sorry about that. Hope you liked today's video. Maybe the next one, I don't know what it'll be. I don't know. I really don't know, guys. Until next time, come on, let's get out of here. Guys, I'm headed to Rising Sun. I'm going to figure out something to do there. I might video it, I might not. Until next time, I'll see you in a couple days. Thanks for watching.